Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your blower motor switch or your heater switch that looks like it goes right there in that little slot where you see the off, low, and high. The switch looks like that guy there. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get behind this section here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this panel and pull off this panel, and then I'll show you guys how to install a switch and from there. So I got this first panel pulled off here. You'll have a 10 mil and then a couple Phillips heads. And now you'll be able to access this piece here. You guys better be able to access that piece there and pull it all off. And you will have to remove 2 Phillips screws to get this piece off as well from the console side. So I only pulled my panel out this far because I have my gauges and stuff's a little bit tighter fit in here than what a factory the 94 single cab would look like, because this is a 4Runner center console and yada yada yada. But anyways, so we got that back piece pulled off. The heater switch goes right there in those little grooves. I have to fish out my wires real quick and find them because I did a dash swap and harness swap and everything on this truck. But let me do that real quick and then I'll show you guys how to put the switch in, and yeah. So I found my plug right here. This is your heater control unit switch. And so I'm gonna plug that in, and then how this switch is going to go is going to get back in there, and light doesn't need to go right there though. Pull that light out, and it's going to slide up in there. I believe, yeah, that's as much as it slid forward. Maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna figure out how to get that fastened a little better, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So, there it is, up there installed. The light will go right there. That little pinhole is in the middle, right there. I ended up super gluing mine up and then doing like a little bit of like plastic welding, quote unquote, with a soldering gun to try to get it to hold a little bit better, which it doesn't move or anything. So that's what we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this all back together, and I'll show you guys what a done result looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys here. Low. And that there is done. I have a heater switch again.